When you are buying a rebounder, it is so confusing, right? Yes, absolutely. You want to consider your weight. You want to consider your height. You want to consider your overall goals. You want to consider what style of bounce you want. Deep and soft for lymphatic detox, medium, which gives you the cardio, lymphatic detox, and the strength, or that firm rebounder feel bounce because you want quick, fast paced, hit, Tabata, stay to the beat, stay to the choreography style workouts. The other thing that you're going to care about, is it foldable? Is it not foldable? Do you want a smaller rebounder? Do you want a bigger space for rebounding? People that are probably 5'4" and up are going to want a 48-inch rebounder and up because you are taller and you're physically going to need that space to jump. Now, in your budget, do you want entry level, mid grade, or high end? I will tell you, start at that mid grade because those are lifetime keeper rebounders. So if you get the entry level rebounders, they are great as well. They're a good start, but they're okay quality. They're not premium quality. When you hit the mid and high end, you know it's like a car. What you pay for is what you get back. So if you can't afford the mid grade, I always say start mid grade. If you can't, I have two premium entry level rebounders that I do recommend because I own most rebounders on market. So again, your overall goals, you want to consider the style of the bounce also. Do you have knee issues, hip issues, back issues, spring loaded or bungee? I really do not recommend spring loaded to many people. I recommend it to men, and I recommend it to people who are of a heavier weight and caliber. All right, so what else do I want to tell you, that things that you need to consider? Folding, not folding, max weight capacity. Each rebounder has a max weight capacity. Before you even buy it, you're going to want to know that. You're also going to want to know the overall warranty on your rebounder, right? Is it a 1 year? Is it a 6 month? What is warranted? Is the mat warranted? Are the bungees warranted? Is the frame warranted? What is warranted? And the final thing is, when you begin any rebounding program, I don't care how fit you are. You could be a U.S. athlete. I don't care. You will start with one of my 3 foundational rebounding for health and fitness programs because rebounding is like nothing else. You don't want to hurt your body and you want to start from the beginning. Last thing, wearing tennis shoes or not wearing tennis shoes is very personal. A lot of people do not like wearing tennis shoes. I do because I have arthritis in this knee and I have arthritis in my low back. So I wear high tensile compression workout pants and I always wear tennis shoes. And that's what my body just needs from me at this point in my life. So you got to listen to your body on that one. Again, I'm using the FitBounce Pro XL, half the price of Bellicon, and all the bells and the whistles I feel of Bellicon at half the price. And yes, I own Bellicon too. Doesn't matter what rebounder you have. They're all great. Remember, you got that entry level, that mid level, that high end. You have any questions, you're needing some help, you're like, oh, Angie, I'm even more confused now that I saw your video. Ding, ding, ga, cha, ka, ka, ding. Reach out to me and I'm going to help you. I've been in it for 27 years, guys. Okay, last thing, join my Rebounding for Health and Fitness community. We are 73,000 members strong and we are growing each and every day. So can you join that group? Go in that description box below and join. I really hope that this workout helped you, my friend. Until next time, bye.